The Occluder tool in Scanifly allows users to simulate all sorts of vegetation management scenarios or removal of other structures on the property by hiding any objects within the 3D model and excluding them from the shading analysis and production calculations. Let's review two scenarios that are very common. In this first example, let's assume you have a customer that's interested in knowing how much the system would produce if these trees were to be removed. We're going to use our occluder to quickly find out. First of all, I'm going to place an occluder, which is just a shape that I place on the 3D model. And then I'm just going to scale it until I'm covering the entire object that I want removed. In this case, these trees. You can see once I've placed my occluder, the trees are no longer visible on the 3D model, and my shading analysis has also refreshed. Now you can see the different colors. At the beginning, they were all darker colors. Now we have brighter or more yellow colors, meaning better solar access and better production as well. Let's review this second use case. Let's say you have a customer that has an obstruction on the roof that will be removed, and you want to calculate how many panels you can fit on that section and how the production would change. In this case, we have this chimney that will be removed. All I did here is I placed this occluder, and now as you can see, the obstruction is no longer there. This would allow me to now make changes to my arrays, see if I could fit more modules without the software actually factoring in any shade coming from that chimney. Essentially, you can use the Occluder tool as a quick and easy way to simulate what would happen if trees or any other shade obstructions were removed from the model, and what impact that would have on your design and production values.